Guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, okay? And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, so if you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15 minutes time frame. This is actually started a downtrend right from here. It gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal, and it has been selling since then. Okay, it started this yesterday, and I created a video on it. I have some TPs highlighted for us. It has achieved all the TPs that just achieved the last one. Okay, because I updated this earlier today. Okay, so it has just achieved the last TP right now. Congratulations to those of you who are able to pick up this signal. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is GainX 999. This has been on a very strong downtrend, just the way we are seeing it. Okay, it has got into this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there. So let's see what will happen from there. Okay, so sorry, I'm just going to change the color of this. Okay, so that's the support zone, although it has not been able to break out from there. However, um sorry, intermedia, just the way we have noticed, this had been playing around here. Each time it gets to the resistance trend line, it goes back. Right now it is there already, so if it breaks out from there, then it's going to buy. If it does not, then it will go back to try out this support region. Okay, so now we can have a few set up for ourselves if it breaks out from there. Okay, so this can be our entry point. Then we will have to adjust our stop loss, okay, upward a bit, probably to somewhere here. Then we can have some highlighted TPs for us. Okay, so that is if it breaks out from the trend line successfully. Okay, so um sorry, I just want to bring all these down. Okay, so that we can use it to set our TP. Okay, guys, let's do that. So we're going to set up more TPs, and right, okay, so these are the TPs for this trade. That is, if this really goes well, okay, if this is activated. Okay, so we expect more buying opportunity right from there than selling opportunity, except if it goes back to the support zone. That is when it's not going to buy. Okay, now let's see Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 has also got into the support region. However, it has been on downtrend for a very long time, breaking out from most support region. So it is also important when you notice that an asset is behaving like that, it is important you draw out the resistant trend line just to know if it's going to break out above it or not. Okay, so we've been experiencing something like this for a while. So, and okay, so if it goes on uptrend, then we should experience a good buying opportunity right from there. So the only reason why it will not go on uptrend is if it breaks out below the support zone. However, at the moment, it is still buying. Okay, so we should take note of that. It is still buying. In short, I am expecting it to get to somewhere here if it goes out very well, if it plays out well. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment, except if it goes back to the support zone to break out below it. The next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out. This is Paynex 999, and we analyzed this yesterday, and I also updated us on it today. Okay, and this actually got to the support zone, wasn't able to break out below the support zone. So we had this set up our stop loss, our entry point, then some highlighted TPs for us. Okay, it has achieved the first TP, second TP, and the third TP. However, it played around there for so many hours today, so that is why it has not achieved the last two TPs. Okay, so we are still waiting for it to achieve the last two TPs. So this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Now let's move on to FX volume 80. Let's see what is happening with FX volume 80. So guys, this is FX volume 80. This also has been playing within this region, got to the resistance zone three times and tried to go on downtrend, but has not been able to go on downtrend. Got there again and tried to sell, but got to this region and it's having a major pullback again. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. We don't know how far it will go. Probably it will be trying out the resistance zone again, and if it does not, then definitely it will go back down and sell. So for now, it is still buying until it is unable to go further. Okay, so so that is it. So guys, these are all that we have for today. In case you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. And of course, guys, for those of you who are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. And if you are yet to perfect your trading skill, you can go within the channel and watch my training videos. Okay, you should be able to get it right that way. Okay, and I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Thank you and God bless you.